Octopuses, geniuses of the ocean, and certified lazy hearts. Literally. These 8-armed escape artists can solve puzzles, disguise themselves, and even use tools. Oh, and they've got 3 hearts. Talk about overachievers. 2 hearts work 24/7 to pump blood to their gills. The third, total slacker. It only kicks in when they swim. So guess what? Octopuses would rather crawl than hit the gym. Relatable much? Next time you're feeling lazy, just remember, even octopuses mastered the art of chill. Share this with someone who needs a tentacle up.
I hate ugly fish.